How to add Python extension in VS Code. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add Python extension on VS Code. In order to do so, first of all, open your VS Code application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Now here, you will need to click on the settings icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you click on it, a pop-up will appear. Here you'll be able to see different options. Click on this extension option from here to open the extensions panel. Once you open it, in the search box at the top left, here type in Python. Once you enter the name, you'll be able to see the search results below. From here, you will need to find the official Python extension by Microsoft. You may also edit the text by Python extension by Microsoft in order to search it quickly. Now from here, find the Python extension which has this Microsoft text. Once you find it, simply click on it and then you'll be able to see it at the right side. Simply click on this install option and wait until it gets installed. Now after installation, you will need to also make sure you have Python installed separately on your system. You may download it from python.org if needed. For that, open any web browser on your device. In the browser search bar, type in python.org. Now search for it. Once you open this website, here, you will need to click on this downloads option. Click on this Python 3.13.3 below this download for Windows option. Once you do so, it will start downloading. You'll be able to see the download icon at the top right. Click on it. There you'll be able to see the application. Simply double click on it in order to open it. Here now you will need to set up it for Windows. Select the checkbox of this pop-up and click on this install now option. Wait for a while until it gets installed. After that, a pop-up will appear. In order to confirm, click on yes button to proceed further. Now once after the setup process is completed, open your VS Code on your device again. Here now you will need to use your command palette. Simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus P keys from your keyboard and at the top you will be able to see this command palette. Now here type in Python semicolon, select interpreter. Once you find it, simply click on it. And here now you will need to select your installed Python interpreter. Click on this Python 3.13.3 which we have downloaded a while ago. Once you click on it, you will see you have successfully installed Python extension in your VS Code. Now from here you can click on this create a Python file option, scroll down and then click on this mark done. Now after doing this, you will need to click on this extension icon which is represented by 4 squares. Once you click on it, now you'll be presented with the extension that you have installed on VS Code. Here you'll be able to locate the Python tool. This setup enables rich Python support including the IntelliSense, debugging, linting and testing in VS Code. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.